Yes, I'm live. Hi, sis. Yes, I'm live. Hi, sis. Hi, sis. Kumusta? Meron na ba akong viewers, sis? Sige, sis. I-try ko. Paano ba yan kunin? Puntahan ko muna, ha? Yan, meron na. Merong isa. Ikaw lang ba to, sis? Thank you. Thank you. I think it's... This is the one that I can... Yeah. That's my friend who helped. Hi, sis. Pinay Australian. Hi, sis. Australian, sorry. Hi, sis. Shout out to you. Nasa Austria ka ba ngayon, sis? Hello, Mom Shilin. Mom Shilin Vlogs. Hello. Shout out sa you, sis. Gabi na kasi dito, sis, live mo. Kaya nga, sis, marami pang ginagawa dito sa bahay. Kaya ito. Farman ang pinapanood ng son mo host. Loading ka host. Loading ako, sis? Loading ba ako, sis? Gohen's family. Nasa Vienna, Austria po ako. Oh, malapit lang tayo, sis. Nandito po ako sa Ireland. Loading ba ako? My love. Can you load on the jelly, please? It's alright, I do it. Matanda na kasi siya, guys, kaya hindi. Kanina po, hello mga sisi, nagbabalik po ako. Pasensya po nawala. So, ayan. Mom, Gohan's family, Mom Shilin Vlogs, hello. Pinay Australian. Hi, Gohan's family, shout out. Tama ba yung pagsalita ko ng Gohens? Or ano ba? Gohens? Hindi ko na siya masabi sis. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya sabihin. Ma'am Shilin Vlogs. Hello, Gohens family. Ayan. Meron tayong 4 na mga kaibigan. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Okay. Gohens family, tama host. Salamat. Hindi ko talaga siya masabi. Hindi ko alam kung paano yan sabihin sis. Ayan. Ito pala yung live stream, no? Maganda pala siya. StreamYard. Ma'am Shilin Vlogs. Hi, Ma'am Shilin Vlogs from Pinay, Australian. Tamay muna ako kay host and then pupusuan ko po kayo. Pwede din kayo muna. Mauna, hihihi. Magtamsak tayo guys. Nauna na ako. Maraming salamat Pinay, Australian. Lista kita dito ha. Pinay, Australian. Maingay si baby, no? My God, nagwala na. Nagwala na yung anak ko. Ma'am Shilin Vlog, CP lang din gamit ko, CC. Gohens family, thumbs na din host. Salamat, Gohens family. Ma'am Shilin Vlogs, thumbs up done. Thank you, everyone. Wala kasing pasok ngayon si Baby ba? Kaya maingay dito. Nag-ingay na si Baby. Ayan, meron na tayong 5 viewers. Sino kaya yan, no? Ay, nandito na pala si Sis. Ma'am Shilin Vlog sa aming kapamilya. Nasa team ka na namin pala, sis. Pinay Australian. Okay lang yan, sis. Ganon din ka-wild anak ko, lol. Kaya nga nagwa-wild sila kapag walang pasok. This is a telly. Ay, sorry. Ma'am Shilin Vlogs. Oo, pero di ako active. Okay lang yan. Ako nga hindi ako active. Yan, meron na lang tayong 4 na kaibigan. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Ano ba 'tong mga ito? Bala. Yes, why? Tama ba 'tong ginawa ko? Oh, okay. Yan, merong isang comment. Puntahan kita mamaya, Ma'am Shilin Vlogs at Pinay Austrian. Yan, sabi ni Gohan's family, pupuntahan niya daw kayo, Ma'am Shilin Vlogs at Pinay Austrian. Pinay Austrian. Sorry! Busy, oy. Pinay Austrian, noted po. 3 na lang tayo.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Naglalaro na lang ako dito kasi hindi ko alam kung ano. Pinag-aralan ko pa yung StreamYard. First time ko kasi. Maganda pala yung StreamYard, no? Sino ba? Sandali lang ako dito para tingnan si bossing ko. Alam mo na yan, di ako nag-whitey today. Pero tinawag mo ako eh. Thank you, Ma'am Shilin Vlogs. Pasensya na.
Okay.
Light na siguro, no? Kaya yung live ko, konti lang. Kailangan ko pa siyang agahan.
Okay.
Lobat na ako, host. Until next time, thanks. Okay. Salamat din, Pinay Austrian. Meron na lang tayong 2. Pag-aralan ko to. Paano to gagawin? Tasting ko lang to siya, ha? Ma'am Shilin Vlogs, done na ako sa'yo, Sisi. Ayan. Ma'am Shilin Vlogs. Parang nag-out na ata si Ma'am Shilin Vlogs. Go, sis, going. Meron pa din ako tatlo, at least. Tatlo. Siguro gawin ko lang siyang ano, no? 1 hour. Benay Austrian, playing na po sa'yo. My Gwen's family. Ma'am Shilin Vlogs, andito pa ako host, pero lapit na mag-out. Ay, Gwen's family. Ganyan lang sa una, Sisi. Nako, kaya nga, Sisi. Pero sige lang, pagsubok lamang yan. Pag tagal-tagal ka na mag-live, pupuntahan ka din, sabi ni Gwen's family. Sige, sige sis, i-try natin. Hintay-hintay tayo ng konti. Baka busy din yung iba. Fight, fight, fight lang. Yes, sis, fight, fight, aja. Okay. Ayan, meron na lang tayong isang kaibigan.
Ipapawag sa mga. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Hello, Glenn Ortega. Hello, Sisi. Dark Angel Vlogs. Hello, sis. Kumusta? Salamat po sa pagpunta. Ayan, meron na tayong 3. Kanina naging 5, ngayon 3. Ano nangyari, sis? Cohen. Cohen's family, ano nangyari? May nagbago na naman? 4. Meron na tayong 4. na viewers. Thank you sa aking 4 na viewers. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin. Ana Marie Almazan, tamsak tamsak na. Thank you sis sa pagpunta dito sa aking live stream. Thank you sis. Makulimlim na dito. Ano pa lang siya? 2 p.m. ng hapon. Dark na siya dito. Meron na tayong 5. Thank you so much for my 5 viewers. Shout out to everyone by Ana Marie Almazan. We have 5 viewers. We have 5 viewers. Thank you so much to everyone. Ayan, meron akong kasama, guys. Maglalaro ka tayo. Meron akong kasama, si boyfriend ko. You see the camera. You're trying to hide. Ayan, si boyfriend, guys. Ayan, nakikita niyo na siya. Meron siyang...
Kamusta?
Nagsasalita siya ng Tagalog or Bisaya. Kumusta daw sa inyong lahat?
Gamay.
Kung Bisaya kayo, nakaintindi kayo ng Bisaya kung Tagalog. Nako. Gamay, sabi niya, maliit lang daw niya naintindihan. Bisaya. Yan, this is the one that nice. You know, you can put all the...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So nice.
Meron tayo. Meron siyang bungot, guys, kasi sa charity nila yan sa trabaho. Ayan, say hi to our 4 viewers.
Hi, everybody. Nice meeting everybody here.
Hello, sir. Sabi ni Gohen's family.
Oh.
Say Gohen's family. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, Dai.
Hi, Dai. Sabi ni Ana Marie, hello, sir.
Oh, hello, Anna Marie. Nice to meet you.
Dito lang ako sa kabila, tawa ng tawa.
Oh, my God.
Nice meeting you too, sabi ni Ana Marie. Ayan.
Walay sape yan.
Walay sape yan. Bisaya siya, nagsalita siya ng Bisaya. Tagalog ka ba, sis, Ana Marie? Ayan, we have 4 viewers. Thank you, thank you.
4 viewers.
Not bad.
So nice.
I don't know who is the 4, the other 2. Bicol pala siya. Bicol. So, Tagalog. Ha, ha, ha. Sabi ni Kuhit. They are speaking Tagalog. They are not Bisaya, my love. So you have to speak Tagalog.
Oh my God. I have to speak Tagalog. I have to speak Cebuano. Oh my God. English, Irish. Bilingual, huh?
Ay, nako. May na lang tayong 5. Are you alright?
No, I am the flu.
Yeah. Malamig na kasi dito. It's cold here in Ireland, so starts to get cold.
My God, everybody's very quiet.
Everybody's very quiet, yeah.
As we say in Ireland, as the cat caught your tongue.
Oh my God. Nag-nosebleed ako doon.
Nosebleed. Nosebleed.
Speak French.
French. Parlez vous français?
Wow! Filler! What does that meaning? Tama ba yun, sis? Or naglalaro lang tong isa? What's that meaning?
How are you?
Oh.
I think.
Can you speak French, sis Ana Marie? I think so, yeah. Belgium is French.
Belgium is Belgium.
No, I thought that their language is French. She's in Belgium. I think so. What did you say again?
Parlez vous français?
Wow! Whaler, oh. Berger.
Voulez-vous avancer?
Comment ka ba? Ah, hindi ko yan alam sis. Paano ba yan? Sa comment ka ba? What's that mean? What's that mean?
Wala kasabot.
Hindi ka daw naintindihan sis. Ano yan sis? Oh, she's not speaking French. Can you understand that?
Speak what? What do you speak?
What do you speak daw sis Ana Marie Almazan? Oh, that is how are you the comment ka ba?
Oh, kaban kaba.
How are you?
Oh, in what? What language?
French.
Oh.
I don't know, is that French?
Mm.
Baka may mga iba-ibang klaseng French or I don't know. You speak Irish.
Oy.
Irish. Small.
Mm.
Thank you, sis. Gohan's family. She's still there. Thank you, sis. I think Belgium din yung ano ni Gohan's family. Tama ba, sis? Belgium? Belgium din yung ano mo. Husband mo, sis. Yes, it's French, sisi.
Oh, French. Oh,
French.
I see.
Yan.
So sorry, I can only speak Italian.
You speak Irish. Small.
Mm.
Denmark husband ko sis host. Ah, Denmark. Okay. Sorry sis. Akala ko Belgium. Sorry, Denmark pala. Yan. Her husband is from Denmark.
Oh, Denmark. Oh, nice chocolate over there.
Nice chocolate. Dark Angel. Sis Glenn. Dito pa host. Thank you sis. Glenn Ortega. Thank you sis. Yan. We have 4 viewers.
I'm going to say something in Irish now.
Oh,
Remember this.
okay.
Chucky or la.
May Chucky Arla.
Why not?
May Chucky Arla.
It's a very famous Irish saying.
Ah, yeah.
Chucky or la.
Chucky Arla.
Mm.
After
Yeah. After ra.
Okay, we have now 35 minutes.
Mm.
Si Glenn Ortega yan ho, si Dark Angel. Yes, sis. Thank you, sis. Glenn Ortega, thank you, sis.
Thank you, sis.
Di ko maintindihan si sir. She can't understand you, Anna Marie. The meaning, what is the meaning of what you call it?
Wala kasabot ikaw? Huh?
What's the meaning of that?
what?
That you said Irish, the Gaelic.
Chucky or la.
Yeah,
You want to know?
yeah.
It means our day will come.
Or they will come, yeah. Ano yan, sinasabi nila yan sis kasi merong war dito sa Ireland dati. Joker din si hobby mo. Oo sis. Game din yan mag-joke-joke. Are you Joker?
No, I'm not a joker. No. Okay, Maurice. How do you like Ireland?
Not really.
Why not?
I do like Ireland. I like Ireland.
What do you like about Ireland?
Wow! Hindi ko alam mo
Interview.
Meron
I'm
pa
doing
lang interview
This
dito.
is live interview. What do you like about Ireland?
What I like in Ireland?
That's what I said.
The people. I like the people in Ireland.
Oh,
Wow, we have 5
I
viewers.
see.
Thank you again.
My God, we have somebody trying to butt in. There is somebody breaking past security here. Where is he? Come here.
Okay lang ba isama si baby dito, sis?
Here, come in here.
Ana Marie, hope you po.
Come here.
Johan's family is parehas si hobby ko, joker din. Kaya nga sis eh. Ay, hindi pwede. No, you're not allowed, baby. No, not allowed.
There is that.
No, you need to down. Gusto niya kasing sumali, sis.
Oi, this is Hickson.
Ana Maria,
This is the
sis.
boss.
Nancy, magkasundo
Say
sila ni
hello,
hobby
Hickson.
mo. Kaya
Hello.
nga eh.
Say hello.
Magkasundo. Say hello to everyone.
Oh. Hello.
Naku, we have now 7 viewers. Thank you so much. 7 viewers. Thank you.
7 viewers. How is everybody? I hope you're having a nice day.
Hi, Oger Rock. Oger Rock host. Hello, shout out to Oger Rock Gaming. Hi, Oger Rock Gaming.
Okay, Rock.
Yeah,
Oh my God. Very nice name.
that's the name of the channel.
Oh. There is a TV
CCN.
program called Fraggle Rock. Huh? It's very similar, huh?
RMD, hi sis.
Hello, sis.
Hello kapatid. Busy lang ako. Dinner muna kami sa labas. Okay sis, enjoy. Enjoy sis. Cute naman ng mag-ama mo. Thank you sis. Someone says that you and the baby, you're cute. RM Dates, say hi Arte. RM Dates.
Huh?
RM Dates, say hi RM
Oh,
Dates.
hello. How are you, RM Dates? It's very nice to meet you. It's my pleasure and a privilege. I'm very happy to be here. Myself and Maurice. There's so much quality time.
Why are you like that? Ano ba nangyari nito? I think, lasing shot. Hi, Oger Rock Gaming. Shout out to you.
Big shout out from the bottom of my heart. It's a big shout.
He's starting to draw. He's starting to writing that. It's alright, just
no.
leave him alone. It's alright. That's not yes.
So, what do you like about Ireland, Maurice?
Oh my god.
Huh? Maurice has been in Ireland almost 2 years now. When she first came here,
Thank you, sis.
she was very cold.
And until now, still cold.
She missed all the food from the Philippines.
Of course.
Because the dried fish.
Of course, you will miss our Filipino food. Thank you,
yes.
sis. RM dates.
Oh yeah, the dried fish was a very big thing.
Of
yeah.
course,
And the
everybody likes
spices,
that.
the spices. Oh, so much. The
Soy sauce.
soy sauce. Oh my god.
I think nag-complain siya
It's
mga
like-
sis kasi
it's
kailangan niya magbiyahe ng malayo makabili lang ng
It's like gold dust over here. Soy sauce. Everywhere I look, I see soy sauce.
Kailangan natin, if you have no soy sauce, you can eat the pork.
Hello? What is this?
Wow, sis, enjoy kayo sa pagkain niyo, sis ha. Sis RM Dates. We have 5 viewers for almost 1 hour.
Has any of the viewers been to Ireland before?
No, sir.
No?
No.
If you-
Sis, Gohen's family, nakapunta ka na ba sa Denmark, sis?
Hmm.
If you don't mind me ask.
Denmark is not far from Ireland. I think maybe 2 hours.
2 hours?
2 or 3 hours maybe flying time.
How about Belgium?
Same, I think.
Belgium.
I think you get cold while there too. If you're coming to Ireland, take a big coat.
I think it's cold, cold anywhere.
And don't forget to pack your thermals, huh?
I know. It's cold anywhere.
So cold. Frostbite. Ireland had minus 20 degrees one time.
Oh my God.
Ireland stopped. Everything stopped.
Wala na ngayon.
No cars would start. All the water pipes burst. Everybody was housebound, shivering. So bad. Yeah.
Siya na yun ang live stream dito.
Hmm.
Siya na yung host.
I am the host of this show now.
We have 5 viewers again.
5 years.
We had 7 earlier.
Did I scare them away?
Nosebleed.
No, split. Me?
Me.
You? Uh-huh.
Yeah. We have 5 viewers. Thank you everyone again to my 5 viewers. Or almost now 1 hour. 42.
I can't see. I said. I take your word for it. So has anybody got any questions about Ireland or about Maurice?
About us.
About us?
Yes.
About our child, Hexam?
Do you have any question?
Our dog, Molly. We have a very big dog. Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Yeah. We're going to send her to, what do you call it?
Yes, it's cold now here in Belgium too. Yeah.
Oh my God, yeah. How cold is it?
Anna Marie said.
Anna Marie? Anna who?
Anna Marie Almazan.
Oh, Anna Marie. Oh. How cold is it in Belgium?
Hello, Brian the Guapo.
Brian the Guapo.
Yeah,
Oh,
good
God.
evening. Shout out to you.
Hold on there, Brian. There's only one person guapo here, and it's me, huh? Guapo. Or that guapa. Huh?
Guapo. Ilang ka magstay host? Ana Marie, ilan ka magstay? Ilang oras? Okay. Siguro mga 1.5 lang sis. Okay lang ba sis? Or depende sis.
Okay, sis.
Brian the Guapo, Gohens family, good name. Ayan, nag-shoutout sa inyo si Brian.
Shout out. We're shouting out.
Ano ba ginawa nito? Nag-ingay lang siya dito ba?
Shouting out to all the sisters out there.
Like 5 degrees.
Oh, 5. That's not too bad. Does it get minus?
Does it get minus over there, sis? Nag-minus ba kayo?
I think so.
Toits Vlog. Hi. Shout out Toits Vlog.
Dites blog, yeah. Hello, Dites blog.
Shout out.
Nice to have you here
Shout out sa'yo.
on the Cebuano Maurice show.
Cebuano. 6. Sabi ni Ana Marie Almazan, hello Toits Vlog.
Hello, Dites blog.
Sabi ni Brian,
Oh, look at this.
The Guapo.
here.
No, he's not allowed in here. Toits Vlog, good eve. Sabi ni Brian, the Guapo. Ayan. Meron na siyang cold sis. Kasi malamig na dito. Shout out to everyone.
Big shout out.
Asis. Ay, nako. We
I'll
have
tell you a joke, huh?
Okay, what's your
I
joke?
want to tell a joke.
Okay, what's your
My friend of mine had a wooden car. And it had a wooden engine. And guess what? It wouldn't go. Huh?
Hindi pa minus, sir. Baka December pa. Nagbabatawa to. Hindi pa minus. Not yet minus. Maybe December.
Oh, December.
Same here.
I
We
think-
had minus already. Minus 2 or...
Not too bad so far. But
Minus 2. We had minus 2.
-4.
We had minus 2. I think last week.
Bad memory. -4.
Is it not minus 2?
No, 4.
Oh my God.
Yes.
We had a very bad frost.
That's why the Irish have.
Done. You're gonna fall over there.
Uy.
Maingay yung anak ko. Guys, meron ba kayong tanong sa amin, guys? Tanungin nyo. You asked us a question.
Ask a question. Any question.
Hello, host. Dito na. BG kita. Igorota here. Hello, sis.
Hello, sis.
Jinaya
Hoy.
Braza.
Don't be drawing on the wall.
Oh my
Come
god.
down.
You have to get that. I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get that.
Oh my God, I'm on my own now. Little boy Hexen is drawing on the walls. Okay?
Okay.
Maurice is coming back.
Here's your daddy pig. Oh, what is daddy pig at?
If anybody has any questions, don't be afraid to ask. About Ireland, about Maurice, about Hexen, about how Maurice got to Ireland, her visas. She's expert. She is agent for how to get visa for Ireland.
Are you going to visit Pinas soon? Hello, B. Jinaya. Dito, Jinaya, Igorota family, BG here na kay Glenn yung isa naka-charge kasi ito. Here lang. Thank you, sis. Thank you.
Translate, please.
Anna Marie said, are you going to visit Philippines soon?
Who, me? Us?
Yeah.
Yes, next year.
Expensive flights.
We're going next year
Hopefully, please,
to
guys.
see Mamo and Sis and Auntie and Rion.
To see the family, in short.
Yes.
Oh, you have to
the whole lot.
mention that. Thank you, sis. Glenn Ortega, BG lang host. Thank you, sis.
Are you going back to the Philippines soon? Any plans? Has anybody got plans to go back to the Philippines?
Yes, I love to.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to all the sisters out there and brothers, all the bros and the sisters. Apple.
How did you get to...
Apple. Apple. Apple.
Where is this? You see this child? Dixon?
Look!
Apple. Apple. Apple.
The child is stealing all the apples.
Apple. Apple.
But you think he wasn't fed for but 1 week? Oi!
Give me here.
No.
Apple.
Can anybody here speak English? Good English? Any of the sisters or brothers out there? Oh my God.
Treat.
The child has got chocolate. That's one thing to keep him quiet.
Treat. Come on, go.
You got a treat? Chocolate?
Treat.
I hope it's not my chocolate.
No.
The child is eating all my chocolate. Okay, here the boss is coming back now, I think.
Oh my God, the phone is dead.
Hurry up, Maurice.
Okay.
I think somebody is asking you a question here.
Is it?
So get your butt over here quick. Here she comes.
Who? Hi, good evening. No, that is CJ. CG Violet. Hi, sis. CG Violet. Hi, CG Violet. Sabi ni, Ana Marie Almazan. Shout out, CG Violet. Hi.
CG Violet, very welcome. It's nice to
Welcome.
have you on the show.
Welcome to our live stream, sis. CG Violet.
CG Violet.
We have 7 now.
Have you any questions?
CG
we love
Violet.
answering questions, you know.
CG Violet. Shout
We can
out.
answer any question. Doesn't matter what you talk about, we can answer any question.
I'm trying to speak. Sabi ni Gohen's family, CG Violet, shout out. Shout out daw si CG Violet, sabi ni Gohen's family.
Oh.
Yes.
CG Violet, have you any questions?
What's this?
We have a questions and answers day today. So
Hi, Gohen's family. Hi. Sabi ni CG Violet.
Gohen's family, very nice to hear from you.
Gohen's family. That's already our viewer, number 1 viewer. Her man is from Denmark.
Oh.
CG Violet
Hmm.
says hi to Gohen's family.
Oh, so sorry. We're not perfect, you know.
Yeah,
No.
you know. More.
Oh
He's
my
asking
God,
for
this child
more.
he wants more chocolate.
It's treat.
There will be no sleeping tonight. Wants the
Slowly,
sugar.
huh?
Oi, have to bite it.
We have 8 viewers. Wow, thank you to our 8
We have 8
viewers.
viewers. My God.
Thank you so much, 8
My God, I'm
viewers.
starting to get nervous now.
How are you, couple?
Oi.
Thank you. We are very good.
Yeah, we're very good. Huh?
We're fighting all the time. We're boxing. I'm boxing him all. I'm doing this. You wanna say hello to Molly?
We have a very fat dog. Her name is Molly. Huh? She's a Staffordshire Bull Terrier. Can you show her?
I don't know. I think she wants to say hello too.
The dog?
Come on, Molly. Here, Molly. Done. Thank you, sis. CG Violet. Thank you, sis.
Oh, look. Wait, we'll show you the dog.
It's alright. It's alright. No, it's alright. It's alright. Put it down. Who's this?
Move.
Hi, dog.
Move chocolate. Move.
So, sleep na kami. See you next time. Thank you, sis, sa pagsama sa
Okay,
akin.
sis. Sweet dreams.
Thank you so much.
See you again.
Thank you, sis.
Go, Tog.
Sleep.
Amping.
Ingat.
Istorya to Onya.
See you soon, sis. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin dito, sis.
See you again. Bye-bye.
CG Violet, your husband is so cool.
CJ Violet.
Your husband is so cool.
Who's CJ Violet? Oh, CJ Violet. Oh, you're very good taste. Yeah, very good. I'm so cool.
Molly. Molly, down, Molly, down. Manners now, manners.
Our dog is eating Maurice. She has
Move.
Maurice's leg in her mouth.
Amping ho si Sorya taon niya ha, kamao lagi siya.
Hmm.
Oh, kamao ni siya ho Bisaya sis Violet. Gamay.
Oh.
Good night, host. Good night, Sisi. Saan ba yun?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sige, bye.
Bye.
Sweet dreams.
Good night.
Good night.
What are you at?
See you again.
What is this dog?
Molly.
Molly.
Stop that.
Manners, no manners. Go to your bed. Bed. Bye, sis.
Bye-bye.
Kumain din yung chocolate ng aso namin kaya nag-ano. Hyper. Very supportive husband. Yes, very supportive. Very supportive. Tudlo ay siya sis. Gitudluan man na ako siya sis. Ginagmay. I think siya Bisaya, yeah?
I teach myself.
Oo, sure. Wow.
Yes, Maurice is a very good teacher.
Did I teach you or what?
A good teacher.
Ay,
She's teaching Cebuano and Tagalog.
oh my God, David. Bed.
And I'm teaching Maurice good grammar in English.
Bed.
Because the Irish speak English better than the English. The English speak bad English, very bad.
No
While
more
the
na.
Irish speak very good
Here.
English.
Here. Last. Hold that. Thank you.
Is that all the chocolate gone, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my God, the child is eating all the chocolate.
Sisi, need to go kasi wala akong data dito.
Sisi.
Ako sa labas eh. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye,
Sige,
Sisi. It was
sis.
nice talking to you.
Ana Marie Almasan.
Ah.
See you, sis. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ingat, sis. Salamat sa
Say goodbye.
pagsama namin dito sa aming live stream.
Amping, take care. The story at the Onya.
Di ba bawal ng chocolate ang aso, sis? Oo, sis. Nag-joke lang ako. Bawal nga yung chocolate sa aso. Pero ito, pinapakain niya yung aso niya. She said the chocolates are not allowed for the dog.
Oh, of course they are. Chocolate is good for a dog. Everybody says chocolate is bad. It's good. If
Well,
it's
so
good for
many
me,
ones.
it's good for the dog. I had a dog before, lived for 20 odd years. Chocolate every day. My neighbors have dogs, never give them chocolate.
Huwag
5
kang
years.
maniwala
They're
niyan, sis.
kaput, dead. Feed your dog lots of chocolate.
They are dead in the end of the day. Don't listen to him.
Give them chocolate.
Wrong. Kailangan din akong umalis. Just stay 1 hour for our live stream. 1 hour is enough.
Cadbury's chocolate.
1 hour is enough.
You can't get Cadbury's chocolate in the.
Yeah, we can.
Where is it?
Gaisano.
No, in
Philippines?
what? Belgium.
She's away.
Gone. Oh, so. All right. Okay.
She's away.
No, the chocolate in the Philippines is not nice. It's not like it's very crumbly, you know. Not as nice as European chocolate. Cadbury's.
Cadbury.
Maurice doesn't like chocolate anymore.
No.
Couldn't wait to get chocolate when she came, and now she doesn't like chocolate.
Yeah.
Only dried fish.
Sino ba hindi magkakagusto sa dried fish? Who doesn't like dried fish for Filipino? I don't know.
Dried fish, fresh fish.
Speaking of dried
Squid.
fish, I'm gonna cook dried fish later.
Allah. Time to open the windows, huh?
Yeah, open the windows.
Open the windows. If anybody's any questions they want to ask us, ask, because we like to have fun replying to the questions, you know.
No one.
I do. So don't
No,
be shy.
I only have 2 minutes and then we have to go after 1 hour. We just stay 1 hour, guys. Next time ulit. We will go live next time. Next week, hopefully, we can go live. Yeah?
Huh? Oh
Next
yeah.
time.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No
Next
problem.
week. Hopefully, we can stay
I will
longer.
not have a mustache next week. I'm cutting it off tomorrow.
Yeah.
We have look, we only grew the mustache for charity. So tomorrow we'll get the mustache off. It's very tickly and Maurice doesn't like it.
No, not allowed. Itchy.
I told Maurice that I'll cut mine off if she cuts hers off, you know. So that's it. Yeah.
I got my hair. I got my hair.
Very nice. Huh?
Wow.
Guapo, huh?
Guapa.
Guapa.
Wow. 39 seconds. 20,
How
sorry.
many people is viewing this?
5 so far.
Oh,
I have 5.
5 viewers. Oh my god. What time is it in your country now?
Yes. What time? Si Violet nasa abroad ka ba, sis? Why have you do this, Nela? One more. We have to go now. We have to go now because 1 hour now. See you guys. Thank you so much to everyone who joined our live stream. Thank you to everyone. Say thanks to everyone, my love.
Thank you for watching the live stream. It's been lots of fun, and we'll see you again soon.
See you next time. In our
Without
live.
this here, okay?
Yes.
This is going tomorrow.
At least 1 hour. We stayed 1 hour. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have
Next.
fun. Bye-bye.
God bless.
God bless. Amping.